Okay guys, so here I'm going to show you the earning trick that you can use to make tons of money with DLS Link, and I'm damn freaking sure that you are gonna love it guys. Okay guys, so here I'm going to show you the earning trick that you can use to make tons of money with DLS Link. So what you guys have to do is you guys have to make money with our refer and earn system. So what you guys have to do here is, you guys have to make 100 of blogs and you guys have to make 100 of videos on YouTube guys. So right now you guys can see here, if someone type in DLS Link review, then you cannot see any blog post because we are new and we have just launched. So you guys can make 100 of blogs of DLS Link and 100 of videos of DLS Link on YouTube guys. So even if you guys type in YouTube, then you guys cannot see any video because we have just launched guys. So you guys can take advantage of it guys, because we are going to have 100 of 1000 of million of source volume in upcoming days, because we are big. So because DL platform is big and we have just launched. So what you guys can do here is you guys have to make 100 of videos, you guys have to make many videos on YouTube, and I'm damn sure that your video is going to be on top because we don't have any competition right now. So we don't have any video competition, so your video is going to be ranking on top. So you guys can make 100 of videos of DLS Link and you guys can write 100 of blogs on DLS Link. So if you type in DLS Link review, then you guys cannot see any blog post here. So this is because we have just launched, and DL platform is a brand, and you guys, this topic is going to be on trending in upcoming days guys. So you guys can take advantages of it now guys. So you guys have to make 100 of blogs, you guys have to make many blogs, so you guys can even buy domains and you guys can make a blogs of DLS Link. And guys, I'm going to show you how much money you are going to make guys. So I'm going to show you here. So our refer and earn system is amazing guys. So if you refer one user, then you get paid $0.02 per user and you get 15% of your income for lifetime basis guys. So if you don't have audience, even you guys can make money by using this feature of DLS Link. I'm going to show you some example guys. So if say you have referred 10,000 user, okay, so if say you have referred 10,000 user on DLS Link, then you are going to make $0.02 per refer. Right guys, so you guys can see here how much money you are going to make. So you guys can see here, if you refer 10,000 user by using the trick that I have said above, then you can see here how much money you are going to make by our refer and earn system. So boom guys, you can see here you guys can make $200 if you refer 10,000 user to DLS Link. And guys, this is something amazing that you must have to try guys, because right now there is no any competition of DLS Link on internet. So you guys can make tons of videos and you guys can make tons of blogs on internet, and then you guys can make lots of money guys. So this is the best time that you have got to use our system to earn huge guys. So you guys can see here you guys have made $200 by just referring 10,000 user guys. So now let's take an example. Those 10,000 users are making $5 a day guys. So we can take an example that these 10,000 people are making $5 a day. Let's not say $5 a day, let's say $5 a month guys. So you guys can see, if say those 10,000 people that you have referred have earned $5 a month guys. So you can see here how much money they are going to make. So they are going to make $50,000 by using our platform. And guys, boom, here you guys are going to make 15% of their income guys. So you guys are going to make 15% of those $50,000 money guys. So here you guys are going to make 15%. So you guys can see here how much is the 15% of $50,000. So you guys can see here the 15% is going to be amazing guys. Okay guys, so you guys can see here you guys can make $7,500 by using our refer and earn system. So this is something amazing that no any platform can offer and no one platform is doing, guys. So you guys can take huge of tons of benefit by using DL platform. So you guys can see here, you guys can make $7,500 a month by using this refer and earn system. So you guys can even make more money, guys. So you guys have to refer lots of user, and I've given you the trick that you can use to get tons of refer on your account, guys. So this is something amazing. So you guys can see here, you have made 15% of the money of your user. So it is going to be $7,500, and once they made an account, you are going to get paid $200, guys. So you guys can add this too, guys. So per 10,000 refer you made, you can make up to $7,700, guys, and this is amazing, guys. And the first $200 are paid instant, guys. So here, if you refer a user, then money is going to be added on your account, guys. So per user you refer, you are going to get paid $0.02 instant, guys. So this is something amazing that we have, guys. So you guys can take a lots of tons of benefit by using DL platform. And guys, as I've said here, there is no any competition of DLS link right now, guys. So you guys can be the first to make videos of DLS link, and if you made a amazing videos, then your videos are going to be on top. And guys, by using that feature, you guys can make tons of money. I'm sure you guys can make first $1,000 in just 1 week or in just 1 month by using this refer and earn system. So you guys must have to give it a try, and I'm damn freaking sure that you are going to make tons of money. So you guys can make hundreds of videos or many videos, and you guys can write many blogs on internet, because right now we don't have any competition, and in upcoming days the competition is going to be, guys, just huge, guys. So right now you guys can make many blogs, and you guys can take the real advantages of DL platform by using the by writing many blogs on the internet. So this is how you guys can make a lots of money by using DL as link.